After an 8-hour workday, the last thing I want to do is come home and start thinking about what I'm going to eat, let alone cook it, because honestly, it's not even about the food at that point, it's just whether I have the energy to deal with it. And that is where I realized that not all meal delivery services are trying to solve the same problem. Some still expect you to cook, while others are just built to save you time. So I spent a whole week testing HelloFresh and Factor 75 just to see how they actually fit into a real routine. By the end of this, you will have a pretty clear idea of which one makes more sense depending on how your days usually look. So let's start with HelloFresh, and at first, I honestly thought this would be one of the more of those heat and eat it kind of services. It is not. You still have to cook, it just takes away the planning part. When I signed up, they gave me a short quiz. Nothing crazy, just basic stuff like how many people I'm gonna cook for, what kind of meals I like, a few preferences. It only took a couple of minutes. But while I was filling it out, I could tell this is about setting up your meals for the week, not just ordering food randomly. And while I was going through it, I realized HelloFresh isn't just about meal kits, actually. They built this whole system around making food delivery simple, whether it's meal kits like this, or even things like meat and seafood delivery. After that, it showed me my plan, and that was it. Everything was set up, so it comes straight to your door. And because they control most of the process themselves, it feels pretty streamlined. Like, they figured out how to make it convenient without it getting messy or overpriced, which is nice. A few days later, the box showed up. And I will say this, everything was really organized. Like, each meal had its own bag with all the ingredients inside. So instead of pulling stuff from the fridge and kind of figuring things out, you actually grab one bag and just start cooking. That part actually made things a lot easier than I expected. Everything tasted good, portions were decent. There was actually a pretty nice variety of recipes and cuisines to choose from, so I ended up trying meals I normally wouldn't cook myself. But yeah, you are still cooking, right? You're chopping, using a pan, following the steps, all of it. The only difference is you didn't have to think about what to make or go grocery shopping. Some days that felt really nice, like I could just follow the steps and get it done. But on days when I come home so beat, like even 20 to 30 minutes felt like a lot if I'm being honest. Pricing wise, this is where I had to think a bit. When I saw it, it didn't feel super cheap, but it also didn't feel unreasonable either, especially when consider you're not buying groceries separately. When I got to the final plan, mine came out to 3 meals per week for 2 people, which is a total of 6 servings. With the discount applied, it was about $5.50-ish per serving, and the first box total came out to about $33. Obviously, this is the promo discount. Prices might vary after the promo. Shipping can vary as well, but if I compare that to ordering takeout even twice a week, this is still cheaper and probably a lot healthier too. But the way I look at it was this: if I'm actually cooking and using all the meals, it feels worth it. But if I skip a few or I don't feel like cooking that week, then it starts to feel a bit expensive. But yeah, it's not all smooth. There's definitely cleanup involved. Like you'll have dishes waiting for you afterward. And boy, the packaging can pile up too, which is not something you think about at first. Also, those 20 to 30 minute recipes, that's if you're a professional chef. Sometimes they do take a bit longer, especially if you're not trying to rush through or you're tired after a long day. Now, on the other hand, Factor 75 is completely different. At this point, I already knew what to expect from HelloFresh. You still cook, just with everything planned out. Factor is not that. This is more like you just heat it and eat it. The sign-up process, very similar. They asked a few basic questions: your goals, preferences, diet type, things like high protein, low carb, keto. Nothing complicated. It took a couple of minutes, but the difference is in what you actually get. See, instead of recipes, you're choosing fully prepared meals. There is no cooking involved whatsoever. A few days later, the box arrived. Packaging was solid. Pretty similar to HelloFresh, actually. Everything came in an insulated box, kept cold and neatly packed. But the difference hits as soon as you open it, because instead of ingredient kits, you just see ready-made meal trays. And I distinctly remember thinking, okay, this is already easier. That same night after work, I picked one meal, put it in the microwave, and within a few minutes, I was already eating. And honestly, that is where it clicked for me, because on those days where I am just dead tired, and I don't want to cook better, I just want to eat and move on with my life, and this made that part effortless. There's no chopping, no cooking, no cleanup, and honestly, that felt great. Food-wise, I was a bit unsure at first because it is pre-made, but surprisingly, it was actually pretty good. Meals tasted fresh, the portions were decent, and there's a lot of variety in terms of recipes as well. For me personally, I try to eat high protein, so I ended up picking meals from their protein-focused options, and I was pretty happy with that, because it felt like it matched exactly what I was looking for. And that is something I really like here. It's not just about random meals. If you're into keto, low carb, any kind of specific type of diet, you can easily find meals built around that. Now, over a few days, I noticed something simple. I didn't have to think about food anymore. With HelloFresh, I still had to decide when I have the energy to cook. With Factor, the decision it wasn't there. I was just eating. And honestly, that convenience is so nice, especially on busy days. But after a couple of weeks, I did start to feel a bit of like taste fatigue. Like the meals are great, like just not something you're always excited about long term. Also, some of them do lean a bit higher on the sodium, which is something to keep in mind if you're eating that regularly. And portion wise, they're decent, but I eat like a lot. I got huge appetite, and you might still find yourself reaching for a snack afterward. Now, pricing wise, this is where it actually surprised me a bit, because when I was selecting the plan, they showed different options like 6, 8, 10, or 12 meals a week. I went with the 8-meal plan, which was around $51 total, or about $6.50 a meal. And that was with the first time discount. And when I look at that, it didn't feel like expensive ready-made meals anymore. By the way, again, these are first time promo prices. Once the intro deal ends, the price is gonna bump up a bit, and shipping can vary too, depending on where you are. But if you want to check out either of the brands, you can actually use our affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra at all. In fact, we can usually actually get you deals there that you won't see on their site. We might get a small commission on it though. It just really helps out the channel, so thank you in advance. All right, back to Factor, and pricing wise, it felt a lot closer to what I would spend on takeout. It's just so much more controlled and consistent. Plus, I like that it's flexible. You can skip, pause, or change your plan at any time. So it didn't feel like I was locked into something. So overall, my experience with Factor was pretty straightforward. It removes cooking entirely. And if your main goal is to save time and not think about meals at all, this will fit into your routine much more easily. So after trying both, here's how I think about it. If you don't mind cooking a few nights a week and you want variety without the hassle of planning, go with HelloFresh. But if you want zero cooking, no cleanup, just need something quick that you can heat and eat, Factor is the best fit. In my opinion, both are great. They're just built for different kinds of days. So it just comes down to this. Do you want to cook or do you want to be done with it? And if you're thinking about giving it a try, you can check out the link in the description. For most of the products we talk about, we have special deals that you will not be able to get if you went straight to their website. Also, if you're a brand yourself and you'd like to work with us or sponsor a future video, you can reach out using the email that is down in the description. If you've tried either of these yourself, I would so much like to hear how it worked for you. So please drop a comment below. I read all of them, and I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.